Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. The Jabra Elite 75T are charged and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Put the earbuds in your ears and press, and hold on the left bud for about 3 seconds. This forces pairing mode and causes the LED to flash blue. You do this now because the phone must detect the earbuds immediately. Once you see the flash, leave the buds in and move to your phone's Bluetooth list to pick the device labeled Jabra Elite 75T. Once the earbuds appear on your phone, tap the Jabra Elite 75T entry to initiate pairing and connection. You should accept any pairing prompt or permission request. This allows media and call audio routing. If the phone shows a connection status, wait until it reads connected and test audio with a short clip or ringtone. Make sure to set Jabra as the phone's audio output if needed. This ensures calls and media route correctly to the earbuds rather than the phone speaker. To finalize, check that both media and call profiles are active in Bluetooth settings, then play audio and make a test call. You want to confirm mic and sound work. If connection fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or remove the device and repair. Simple resets often fix handshake errors. If nothing helps, perform a factory reset on the Jabra, hold buttons per manual, as a last resort. This clears saved pairs and usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.